This is a great stocking stuffer. Check it out. Very, very bright light. That could bright like many meters of bright light outside. Let me show you how bright it is. And then it has a strobe effect. Very, very, very bright, almost blinding strobe effect. As well as it has a bright light to the side, an LED to look at, like, so it's not as bright as the other setting. And then it turns into another setting of the LED light in the side. And then you have an emergency light in case you want to be seen at night from far. You set this up on the floor, and then if you have an emergency, and everyone is going to be able to see you, and then it turns off. So basically this button right here controls everything. It doesn't have any other buttons that you need to deal with. In emergencies, you also don't want to be dealing with a lot of buttons. So it's basically this for the regular light, this for another less power in the light, this for strobe, this for side light, this for less LED side light, button for strobe lights so that you can be seen. Super, super recommended stocking stuffer for Christmas.